What's up, y'all? Let's clean this up.
This engine bay is filthy, so let's clean her up. Try to stay away from the engine. Bag over the oil. Alright, y'all. Just a quick video. But I did not say this is the way to do it. This is the way I do it. You can mess up a lot of stuff doing it like this. Make sure you turn your car off. Cover that alternator. You don't want a lot of water in there. And, you know, just be quick with it. Give her a quick spray. Yeah. And then once this dries, I got a little secret that I use. Keep them, you know, everything healthy, and let this kind of drip dry for a minute, and then we'll do the next step once it's dry. I already know someone's gonna comment and be like, "Oh, you messed it up. You can't get the engine wet like that." And let's go and start it up. Low tire, brake, door, seatbelt. Looks like we're good. Sounds good. No belt squeak. Very nice. Make sure you cover the alternator. That's probably the most important thing. And if you've got your coil packs showing, try not to just, you know, keep the water there, because it will fill up, you know, down where that spark plug goes. But be careful. Alright. Okay, we got the engine dry. What you're going to want to do now is pick your favorite flavor. I usually just use regular WD, but I like this one because it's made to be good for rubber and whatnot. You don't really want it on your belts. So if you guys, if you don't think this is a good idea, don't do it. I, on the other hand, always, use a whole can. I don't care. Make sure you get back there in the back. People might like me will look back there and judge you. No, just only a little bit. All right. But yeah, let's keep the cars healthy. Keep everything looking fresh. And especially for the batteries. This repels water, so moisture getting in those, you know what that does. So, yeah, let me know in the comments what y'all think. What do y'all do to keep it clean? Yeah. Guess we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for stopping in.